Welcome back, friends. Now we'll log into Ubuntu by pressing the password. We'll go to terminal. We'll log in by using MySQL -u root -p. Password is again root. Now we are going to directly the fourth experiment, that is DDL commands. DDL commands, right? So DDL commands are create, alter, drop, and truncate. Create already we have learned, like create database and create table name and the name of the attribute, data type, and size of the attribute. Like I have created, as the machine is changed, I have created vir vir database. Okay, database is changed. Now how many tables are created inside the database vir? We'll see. So command is show tables. Show tables command will display the number of relations, number of tables created inside the database. So currently we are in vir database, so and it is having employee. So we'll display select start from the table name. Table name is emp. I have created one table already, employee, which is having 2 records inside it. Now, what is meant by schema? Schema of the database. How to see the schema of the database? Schema of the database we can see by using describe table name of which we want to see the schema. So DESC and table name. Our table name is employee. It will display the schema of the table. So you can see schema of table. There are 3 attributes. This is the name of the first attribute. This is the name of the second attribute. This is the name of the third attribute. This is first attribute name, data type, and size, and properties, null, key, default, extra. By default, those are null. Design, varchar 10. This is the second attribute and this is the third attribute. Already I have created table. You have to create new one. Now, second command is alter. We are not going to complete entire practical in this video. We'll see some part. So first is create table, table name, and name of the attributes. Already I have created this employee table to save the time. Now we'll go for alter. Alter command. Alter command is used to play with the entire schema of the table. Using alter command, I can play with schema, related to schema. It means I can change this name. I can change the data type of the attribute. I can change, modify the size of the attribute. I can add, already you can see there are 3 attributes only. I can add new column. I can delete one column or more than one by using this alter command. So there are various combinations of alter command: alter, add, alter, drop, alter, delete, alter, rename. So there are a number of combinations. Alter table name, that is employee. Suppose I want to add one column, extra column inside the table which is already created. So this is employee. Alter table table name, then add keyword, which is the new attribute. You have to type the name of that attribute, then data type and the size of that attribute. Suppose it is 4. This command, so syntax is alter keyword table name in which you want to add new column, then add keyword, then name of that attribute, data type of that attribute, and size of the attribute, right? So, okay, that is done. So we'll see now the schema of the table name employee, which is already we have displayed here, which shows only 3 columns. Now by using alter command, we have created one more column inside this. Yes. See, now you can see here age. Age is a new column which is added in already created table. Age, data type, and suppose I want to change the size of or modify data type or size, you can size or name of the table. By using alter command, you can modify the name. Alter, syntax is alter table keyword, table name employee, then modify keyword, then what you want to modify, suppose age, columns size, data type as it is, and size suppose 6, which will, what it will do, it will create this age integer 4 into age integer 6. Enter. Okay, query is successfully executed. Alter keyword table employee and modify age integer 6. Now for using modify, I am only modifying the size of the attribute. I can change the data type also using modify, and I can change the name of the attribute also using modify combinations. So we'll see one more time schema, that is using describe emp. You can see now size is changed. Now I want to delete this. Suppose I am inserting one record. Again, do not make spell mistake. As I said, insert into table name is emp values, in bracket values in quotes. First is ename. Suppose name is Rahul. Then next is designation. Suppose is Pune. Then suppose his salary is 5,000. Then his age is suppose 45. Yes. So record is inserted. We'll see the table now. Select star using query select star from table name, that is employee. It is displayed. Previously it has 2 records created. Now we have created new one, right? This one. Now I want to delete this entire attribute. Again I have to go for using alter command. Alter table, table name. Syntax is alter table, table name, then drop, and then column name. Okay, column, that is age. I want to delete this age. Yes, it is done. We'll see now. Describe, that is schema of the table. Yes, 4th column is not there. Even we'll see by displaying table. You can see now Rahul record, only attribute value and entire attribute is deleted. So these are the combinations along with alter, that is alter drop, alter add, right? We'll see more combinations next time.